Probiotics are tiny organisms like yeast and bacteria that naturally live in our stomach, intestines, and vagina. Sometimes, things like taking antibiotics or traveling can mess up the balance of these organisms, leading to digestive issues. That's where probiotics come in. They help improve digestion and restore the natural balance of these microorganisms. You can find probiotics in foods like yogurt, milk, and juices, or as dietary supplements in the form of capsules, tablets, or powders. They've been used to treat a variety of issues such as diarrhea, irritable bowel, eczema, vaginal yeast infections, lactose intolerance, and urinary tract infections. When it comes to Culturelle Baby Digestive Calm-Comfort 2 billion cell/5 drops oral antidiarrheal formulations with gut flora microorganisms, it's important to read the label for specific uses. It's best to consult your doctor or pharmacist to determine the right dosage and optimal timing for taking this supplement. When using Culturelle Baby Digestive Calm-Comfort, make sure to follow the directions on the product package. Depending on the specific product, the dose may need to be swallowed whole, chewed, sprinkled onto food, or mixed with liquid. If you are using the liquid form, be sure to measure the dose carefully using a special measuring device/spoon to ensure you get the correct dose. Do not use a household spoon. If you have any questions about how to take this medication, consult your doctor or pharmacist. If you are taking antibiotics, it's important to note that probiotic products containing live bacteria, such as Culturelle Baby Digestive Calm-Comfort, may not work well if taken at the same time as antibiotics. It's recommended to take any product containing live bacteria at least 2 to 3 hours before or after taking antibiotics. Be sure to follow the specific directions for your product. If you are using Culturelle Baby Digestive Calm-Comfort for diarrhea due to antibiotics, do not use it if you have a high fever or for more than 2 days unless directed by your doctor. If your condition lasts or gets worse, or if you think you may have a serious medical problem, seek medical help right away. If you experience increased stomach gas or bloating, be sure to notify your doctor or pharmacist. In the case of serious side effects like signs of infection or a serious allergic reaction, seek medical help right away. It's important to be aware of any symptoms that may indicate a serious allergic reaction, such as rash, swelling, severe dizziness, or trouble breathing. If you notice any other effects, be sure to contact your doctor or pharmacist. Always consult your healthcare professional for medical advice about side effects. Before using this product, make sure to talk to your doctor or pharmacist if you have any allergies or if you are taking any other medications. If you have certain health conditions such as prolonged diarrhea, a weakened immune system, or diabetes, it's important to consult with a healthcare professional before using this product. Additionally, if you are pregnant or breastfeeding, it's important to talk to your doctor before using this product. Always follow the recommended dosage, and if you have any concerns, make sure to consult with a healthcare professional. It's important to be aware of any potential drug interactions that may occur when taking Culturelle Baby Digestive Calm-Comfort. Some medications, such as antibiotics and antifungals, may interact with certain probiotics. It's recommended to keep a list of all the products you use and share it with your doctor and pharmacist to ensure the best possible outcome. Always seek your doctor's approval before starting, stopping, or changing the dosage of any medicines. If someone has taken too much of this medication and is experiencing severe symptoms like fainting or difficulty breathing, it's important to seek immediate medical help by calling 911 or a poison control center. In the U.S., residents can call their local poison control center at 1-800-222-1222, while Canada residents can call a provincial poison control center. Make sure to attend all of your medical and lab appointments. Certain brands of this medication may also include additional ingredients like fiber or inulin. If you have any questions about the ingredients in the specific brand you are using, it's best to consult with your doctor or pharmacist. If you forget to take a dose, you can take it as soon as you remember. If it's almost time for your next dose, then you should just skip the missed one. Make sure to take the next dose at your regular time, and do not take 2 doses at once. When it comes to storing probiotics, it's important to check the product package for specific instructions. Some may need to be refrigerated, while others should not. If you're unsure, ask your pharmacist for guidance. And always remember to keep medications out of reach of children and pets. When it comes to disposing of this product, make sure to follow the instructions on the label. Do not flush it down the toilet or pour it down the drain unless directed to do so. And when it's expired or no longer needed, be sure to properly discard it. You can consult your pharmacist or local waste disposal company for guidance on the best way to do this. If you need more help, call your doctor for medical advice. In the US, you call FDA, 1-800-FDA-1088. In Canada, you may call Health Canada, 1-866-234-2345. Wishing you good health. Thanks for watching.